Informal tú commands. Today we're going to learn how to tell someone what to do. Not any someone, but a tú someone, not an usted someone. Walk faster, please. Eat your lunch. Write the recipe. All of these are commands that you can give someone. Forming a tú command is easy. All you have to do is take the tú form of the verb, in this case, caminas, and take off the S. Camina means, hey you, walk. You do the same for ER verbs. Find the tú form, comes, take off the S, and you're left with come, eat. And the same goes for IR verbs. Find the tú form, escribes, take off the S, escribe. Alright, so how would you say walk faster please? Pause the video and try it for yourself before listening to the answer. You should have gotten camina más rápido, por favor. How would you say eat your lunch? Come tu almuerzo. How about write the recipe? Escribe la receta. Commands are usually used without a subject pronoun. Notice I didn't say tú, camina más rápido. I just said camina más rápido. The tú is implied. This tú is not you, it's your. So, what do we do with stem changers? Pedir, for instance, is a stem change from E to I. So it's pido, pides, pide, etc. And the stem change happens in the boot. Tú is in the boot. So when you're forming the tú command for a stem changing verb, you just keep the stem change and get rid of the S. Pide, ask for. Pídelo, ask for it. Cerrar is another stem changing verb. It changes in the boot. E to IE. Cierro, cierras, cierra, etc. Cerramos, cerráis, cierran. Again, within the boot, there is the stem change from E to IE. The tú form is in the boot, so it keeps that stem change. Take off the S, you get cierra, close, or ciérralo, close it. And last but not least, we have probar. Probar is also a boot verb that changes from O to UE. Prueba, pruebo, pruebas, prueba, probamos, probáis, proban. Again, the stem change occurs in the boot. Tú is in the boot, so we keep that stem change when we're turning it into a command. Cross off the S. Prueba, pruébalo. Probar means to try or to taste. And now, of course, we have our irregulars. What would Spanish class be without irregular verbs? Over on this side, we have tener, hacer, poner, venir, salir. To have, to do or make, to put, to come, to leave. For most of these, you just take off the ending. Ten, pon, ven, sal. For hacer, if we just took off the ending, it would be pronounced ak. We don't want it to be pronounced ak. We want it to be pronounced as. Hacer, as. So this is just a spelling change. On this side, they're more irregular. Ser becomes se with an accent mark. In this case, it's a command that's telling you be, but please note that se also means I know. You'll just have to use context clues to figure out which one they're talking about. Decir becomes di. So decir is a stem-changing verb, e to I, so maybe that's a way you can remember it. Decir becomes di. It changes in its stem. Ir becomes ve. So that looks very different, but if you think of ir as voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van, then ve is not too much of a stretch. And dar becomes da. Now you try it. Put these 9 verbs into the tu command form. Remember, find the tu form, drop the s, keep the stem change, and watch for irregulars. You've just learned how to tell a tu what to do. Informal commands.